Hey everybody, in today's video I will be showing you how you can remove your shadow ban from TikTok. If you follow this video correctly, TikTok will probably listen to your appeal and remove your shadow ban. So make sure to follow this video till the very end and follow our steps correctly so you can make sure that this method works for you too. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is, if you didn't already, download TikTok from the App Store. After doing that, you want to enter the application and log into your account that is shadow banned. Let's go to TikTok right now and go to our profile page. As you can see here, this is the main page that I'm greeted by when I go to my profile page. If you don't know how, just click on the lower profile button in the lower right corner. So yeah guys, after being here, let's say that one of our videos got about 500 views, as you can see here, and the other one is keeping going 0 or 1 or something. Very low views, meaning you got probably shadow banned. The first thing you want to do is find the video that you were shadow banned from. Let's say this is the video that I'm shadow banned from, and you want to delete that video. After you will do so by clicking on the three dots in the lower right corner, clicking on the three dots, and then going all the way right and finding delete video. Click on delete and click delete, making sure you're sure. Signaling that you're sure that you want to delete this video. You will have to do this if you want to get unshadow banned and if this video was shadow banned. So after this, the next thing you want to do after deleting the video that was shadow banned, you want to make an appeal to TikTok, and you can do this by doing the following. In the upper left, in the upper right corner, you will see the three lines. Click the three lines. This will open the settings tab. You want to go into settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. After clicking settings privacy, you will be opened up an array of options that you want to find the one that you need. You will scroll down until you find the option named report a problem. As you can see here, this is under support. Click on report a problem. Clicking on report a problem is how you are going to remove your shadow ban. Unfortunately, you can't directly remove a shadow ban, but you have to appeal to TikTok to remove the ban for you. Now, in the upper right corner, you can see a button, which is a paper note with a pen writing on it. You want to click on that. After clicking on that, you will open up this new page. You will be greeted by the Your Feedback page. You want to, again, in the upper right corner, click on the notepad with a pen writing on it. Clicking on this will open up this page, a report a problem page, where you can tell them your feedback. You want to use this page and tell TikTok why you were shadow banned and that you want to get on shadow banned. So you want to type something about like, my video was shadow banned, and I want to be unbanned. This is just an example of something you should say. You want to add more details why you were shadow banned and that you will not do it again, and you will not repeat what you were shadow banned for. After doing that, you want to click on the submit ticket, and this will submit the problem and your feedback to them. After that, the TikTok employee will find this, read this, and they will probably unshadow ban you and get your account back posting videos normally. So guys, this is what you have to do, and you have to be patient, wait for them to reply back to you. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you get your TikTok account back and many more in the future. So guys, thank you for watching and take care.